Now, before undergoing this course, you must know about the prerequisites for this course. What are the things you should already know before taking this course? A working knowledge of C is required. I will expect you to be having basic knowledge of the following topics. Basic data types that you might have learnt in C, that is int, float, double, char. There are some extra data types in Java like boolean, byte, etc. that we will be discussing in the course. Next, you should be well versed in the control structures, that is if statement, switch case statement. As you know, if and switch case statements, they are used for decision making. Then you should be well versed in loops. As you know, there are three types of loops: while, do while and for. All these control structures, they are used in Java in the same manner as in C. Now you should be able to understand and write basic programs of arrays, like declaring and traversing elements of an array. Although there is a bit of difference in the approach to declaring arrays in Java, but that is quite easy to learn, that we will learn during this course. Then you should be able to write and understand the basic programs of functions. In Java, functions are called methods, but they are written in the same manner as in C. You should be able to understand how to define the body of a function, how to return values from a function, and how to pass arguments while calling a function.